Merry Christmas, everybody. I hope this video finds you doing well and healthy and looking forward to the Christmas season that's upon us. For me, Christmas is so important just to spend time with family. We know the reason for the season, but second to that is family. And we'll be spending our Christmas Eve with mulligan stew. It's a tradition in the Connors household to make Grandpa's famous mulligan stew that's always prepared for St. Patrick's Day. So we'll be spending time with family and eating. Imagine that. Hey, I just hope that this finds you, that your family is with you and healthy. It's been a crazy year with COVID and elections and the negative news cycle and everything else going on. And I hope you get some clarity and some calmness, quite frankly, during this time period. And looking forward to 2021, I think it's going to be a great year. And I hope that you do too. So God bless, Merry Christmas, and have a great day.